I built this engine 1985, I think, and it was only meant for experiments. The engine is a 3-cylindered, 2-stroke, radial engine with rotating cylinders. The engine has high tension ignition, the spark plug, the ignition coil, and a way to adjust the ignition timing. This is some kind of distributor, and the spark plug has a wire that passes through the distributor. I don't know if it's visible, the spark. That's a bit closer. Oh, it's only a little spark. The engine has a simple carburetor, and the fuel mixture is sucked via a leaf valve into a hollow main shaft into the middle of the engine. Each cylinder consists of a guiding cylinder, a working cylinder, and inside this a piston. And the fuel mixture is compressed by the piston into the working cylinder. The working cylinder is connected via 2 connecting rods to eccentrics situated in the middle of the engine. So when the engine is turned like this, the working cylinder moves in and out and thereby do the job. The exhaust valve is situated at the top of cylinder and is a slide valve activated when the engine is turning. The exhaust valve opens about here, I think, and I think it's possible to see it turning. A closer look at the valve turning. Let's see if it would start. So it would.